Good afternoon, sir. This is my reading activity for Module 4. Main approaches in the explanation of crime. 1. Objective approach. Criminal behavior explained in terms of factors extraneous to the offender, which are social, surgical, and cultural, economic. 2. Subjective approach. Criminal behavior is explained in terms of factors within criminals. 4. Different approaches in the explanation of crime. 1. Biological approach. It proposes that human beings commit crime because of internal factors over which they have little or no control. 2. Causal approach. This is a study of the causal link exists between the defendant's action and the plaintiff's injury. 3. Deficient in probity approach. The criminal's deficient in probity says Dr. Maurice Parmel committed crimes against property. 4. Descriptive approach. It describes the phenomenon of crime and those who commit it. 5. Or genetically inferior woman traits approach. This study was carried by Everett A. Houghton and William H. Sheldon. Houghton said that the criminals are genetically inferior. Houghton had studied 13,873 male criminals and 23 persons of the criminal control group. 6. Economic approach. It studies external economic factors. 7. Endemic approach. It studies that factors that arise from the local conditions or belong to a particular period of the year or the specified area that makes a main criminal. 8. Environmental approach. It seeks to explain the phenomenon of criminal behavior with reference to factors outside the personality and the delinquent. 9. Functional psychosis approach. As the mental quality of an offender is either normal or abnormal. The psychotics are two types: having a psychosis organic or origin, and having psychosis or non-psychosis origin of functional psychosis. 10. Organic psychosis approach. General paralysis of insane. 11. Heredity and criminal families approach. Studies were conducted by Arthur Dugdale in the United States American of the Jews, 1877, and by Henry Herbert Goddard on the Halifax, 1912. 12. Individualistic approach. It focuses its attention on the biological, mental, and other characteristics of the offender to explain the process of his delinquent behavior. 13. Psychological approach. It is an approach to criminology made by endocrinologists who found the glandular multiplication caused the delinquent behavior. 14. Social approach. Man may live in isolation, but generally he lives in society. 15. Therapeutic approach. This approach of recent origin, it considers the criminal as a victim of circumstance and a product of behaviors, various factors within the criminal and the society. Last, twin research approach. Violent due to the environmental influence as prejudices of honor, politics, and region approach. I am Hagutin Sandria Donser from Section 4. Section 2.